EM Khon Sing Rongpi tested positive for COVID-19, admitted in hospital for treatment. "14 days Dima Hasao lockdown from today. CM urges public to follow lockdown rules. "30-year-old man found murdered inside Amri. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Jillian Hansapi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. In a latest development, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Medical in charge Khon Sing Rongpi was tested positive for COVID-19 on Sunday. Following this, the elected representative was immediately admitted to Diphu Medical College and Hospital for further treatment. Following the confirmation of the test report, the district administration has sealed off his residence at Kombekro village in Haroghat and has been declared as containment zone. Free movement of people and vehicle has been barred in the area. In addition to this, entry of public into the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Secretariat has also been banned for an indefinite period until further notice. Only officials and staff will be allowed to enter the campus. Another woman from Diphu was also tested positive on Sunday, after which her residence was sealed off by the district administration. On the other hand, Ms. Bailum BOP under the Dhansiri constituency has also been stilled after one personnel was tested positive for the virus. Meanwhile, COVID daily in Assam has crossed 11,000 mark, with cases from Guwahati city increasing rapidly, triggering fear of massive community spread. During a press briefing on Sunday, Assam Health Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma assured that proper care is being taken of all the COVID patients who has been admitted in different hospitals of the state. Due to the rapid increase of COVID-19 cases and taking into consideration of the people over the fear of community spread, Dima Hasao district has declared 14 days lockdown from today. The decision was taken after 6 persons from the district with no travel history were tested positive of COVID-19. In an emergency meeting held at the CM Conference Hall of the North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council on Friday, chaired by EM Nandita Garlosa, a proposal for a conditional lockdown was placed, following which the House decided for 14 days lockdown in the district. The North Kachar Hills Autonomous Council CM Debolal Garlosa made the announcement during a press briefing held on Sunday, during which he appealed upon the people of the district to strictly abide by the lockdown rules.
हासाओं में अभी जो कोरोना लेके कोविड लेके बहुत हालत ख़राब हो रहा है, तो इसलिए असम गवर्नमेंट से और डिस्ट्रिक्ट एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव तरफ से और हम लोग का काउंसिल टीम से हम लोग बातचीत करके हम लोग लॉकडाउन 14 दिन के लिए हम लोग डिसाइड किया। और आप लोग का सबको रिक्वेस्ट करता है कि लॉकडाउन मान के चलने से अच्छा रहेगा, सभी के लिए भी, अपना लिए भी, दूसरा के लिए भी, क्योंकि अभी जो कोरोना हो गया, आगे क्वारंटाइन सेंटर में होता रहा, लेकिन अभी कम्युनिटी में स्प्रेड हो गया, जैसे कि हट्टिकली में भी हुआ है और जैसे जुमरा में भी हुआ है, और गुवाहाटी का हालत तो आप लोग भी सब भी मीडिया का थ्रू से आप लोग जानता होगा, देखा होगा। तो इसलिए हम लोग डिमा हासाओं का भी 14 दिन हम लोग डिसीजन लिया है, कल से होगा और 19 तारीख तक अगर हालत और भी अच्छा हो जाएगा तो हम लोग उसका बाद में फिर डिसीजन लेंगे।
Except for emergency services, the deputy commissioners also warned that the administration will be very strict during this lockdown period. During the lockdown, all private office institution will remain closed. Roadside vendors and other business will remain totally shut. However, grocery shop will remain open 3 days a week, that is on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, with 30% grocery shop in the market from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m.
लॉकडाउन इज़ अ कंडीशनल लॉकडाउन इन अ सेंस दैट ये लॉकडाउन ऐसा है कि हम लोग ग्रोसरी शॉप जो है उसको अलाउ कर रहे हैं 3 times in a week फ्रॉम 11 to 4 p.m. मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे। वो डिटेल्स लिखा हुआ है, पर मैं कुछ चीज़ें जो हाईलाइट करना है वो बता रहा हूँ। और हम लोग डायरेक्शन देंगे कि वो 30 जो दुकान खोलेगा वो भी 30% ऑफ द शॉप दैट बी ओपन फॉर ग्रोसरीज, सो दैट लोगों का कोई तकलीफ ना हो।
Let's take a quick commercial break. Stay with us for more news.
MS Punctual Stationery. Humri damra lang damik tha. Labang suwa kula dalong nang litum kerang sora hormuan long iji. Lake ason kecho hormu. Nang li hemarlu kapang jangjia phan kenang sora hormu lapen kapre ka son nang litum longpon iji. Humri damlote nang litum thek ilongji. Lasi humri damik tha phangcho stationery. Ka humri dam nang jadim lake Rongkhelan Dipu Manja Road, Don Bosco Higher Secondary School adu Dipu Karbi Anglong.
Welcome back to Karbi Anglong Live. The Karbi Student Association team from Hamren Regional Committee had on Sunday visited the bridge over the Amlong River, which have been lying in a very risky condition for a long time. The Karbi Student Association has severely condemned the poor quality of repair work of the Amlong Bridge between Dongkamukam and Jengkha, located inside Kolonga area. The repair of this wooden bridge was completed only a year ago but has suffered huge damage and poses high risks to travelers who passes through it every day.
Main pini ni tum theklong lo ipu amlong sarpo dolong komen tune yin benta ni tum do charlie song benta demand piglo ladaket wooden bridge ke chok chilopen tum dak demand lo sanili tum alam ar tuje niani sanili tum lapu do bong sita piniani theklong lo pinia condition theklong lo ipu amlong sarpo lo so wooden bridge song lo Pinia anian tanili tum lo charlie song tapen belek ham hang song tana humri piglo media staff piglo kisa pini council asor Karbiang lo autonomous council asor ta pini hang reply tawe nang ke nang umri nang pompat tawe lapen do tulang PWB department asor pini na to nang humri nang pompat tawe lakin nili tum karbilo charlie song pen ning duk piglo PW department pen tartang thek tuge theklong lela Pinya so danger sign pula so pinang zia pot lama ki ergi pinang zia pota paklang kila stala bangki itu main itu ke fokus nenge ili tum bente charak tok do nenge department sorta lagi kalang ma stala pini hang na tai bala udot nili another point edun kang tung contract ke claim atum phan nili ke ning je ki jong dang kang tung ke council sorta lat contract ke claim do phan langchari vedat ma PWD executive engineer tum ta langchari vedat ma ningkan isi upon repairing fanang lilo dadak a contractor man li jongam delu kala so repairing a condition la hando ma ningkan isi ta leon e so budian weeks along it to take long.
The KSA team has slammed the PWD department for not monitoring the work of the contractor. It has been seen that extremely poor and low-grade wood were used by the contractor. The KSA team has strongly demanded authority for immediate steps for repair of the bridge before any catastrophe happens to anyone. Kabon Militi Sopi from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. In shocking development, the body of a 30-year-old man found murdered and his body lying on the road between Umsamuk and Tiva Umbormon village in Amri constituency, West Karbi Anglong district. The inhuman crime took place on Saturday and the dead victim was identified as Sondro Inti of Patimuka. Ulukunchi police were immediately informed upon the discovery of his body by local residents. Hamren Magistrate Mustafa Salim Ahmed reached the spot to inquire about the matter. The dead body was later sent for postmortem to ascertain the actual cause of death. The victim's mother told that her son left home at around 7:30 in the evening of Friday and since then she lost contact with him.
Ani ke to sang hang lu ni long upe to nang lu tha pulu kuna senang adam po pulo dam de la long na lama na di ke non ante hembang we ante hembang be det lo la si mo pam sang yor long bang ke than sei lo ti po sin ting su kai tet ti le tet to ma la ho pulu ni te ka ma tha la setan
Sondro Inti was the son of late Himari Sankem Inti and Kaet Hansapi of Patimuka. He was a farmer living with his widowed mother. This murder of the innocent man has created a sense of insecurity among the local people. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. The Bokajan District Committee of the Karbi Students Association have strongly urged upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and the District Inspector of School for immediate repair of the Nahor Langso LP School, which have been lying in deplorable condition for the last 2 years. Nahorjan area is located in the Karbi Anglong Nagaland border, which is also one of the most neglected regions of the district. It is deprived of several basic infrastructure including road, drinking water facility and most importantly, proper school. Absence of high school is a big problem, but even the LP school which has been built there not been getting proper care from the authority. The roof of the Nahorlangso LP school was damaged by the storm and rain 2 years ago. Since then, the teachers have tried from their end to repair, but the damage could not be mended up.
Ansat ang umri u penle ang ilang alila joni si tunggu pui ke school em tanam ta tingan ta sanu na job lab lo si so school ta nang lang bangabe kan rong tang develop ta nang anta nang ledat joni si kunta so alamang nang kucing nang kok so tingyap ta ning kan hini ke so silu tami sa tumbang Mazara cepi pon pompo kotimon bang poko jap tidak ketia lo set namang ke onda tingga jap bang itulah dibelang tingga onda prosedur itu konon ke semua ta school buat.
Due to this, the Bokajan KSA has demanded the authority for immediate grant of new school building, boundary wall, kitchen shed and drinking water facility. In addition to this, the students' body also demanded the setting up of ME and high school for the people of border area.
Si ME school, high school tame ibine kanang sot nilitum kabilo chali somet chunilipon ke upiluma patang ke ahoy along ke dora datom bangke kacharli bang katikuk son sidulor pinyani bangke la sinilitum bangke kachuning rielam the bangke lahalo rabjin pe labang so school asarnung chot kali si bandriwal ke chansit ke junalang lapen mesen labang so school pachimanji phase nilitum mahin pen chuning rilo lapen jongsi labang so ahawar phan norlang so ra datum phan mesen school kacharli dim pijak the plong litum ke bang jilangani bangke kaprek step tamen litum chisong ponangkok.
All these years, the students of this area have to travel a distance up to 10 kilometers to reach Dilai for ME and high school. People of the area have expressed their dismay over the lethargy of the inspector of school for not being able to take initiative for the people of the area towards providing easy access to education for the children of this area. Bijay Rongpi from Dilai, Karbi Anglong Live. That's all we have with us for now. Thanks for watching Karbi Anglong Live.